So I installed this gear shift knob on my third Gen Tacoma. I've had this for a long time, for years. I had it for my second Gen Tacoma. It was a 2005. I bought it years ago, and I took it off, put it on the Jeep that I had, the Jeep Wrangler, sold the Jeep, and now it's on my third Gen Tacoma. I love this because it lights up. I'll show you a video of that, how it lights up. It's really nice. I won't, and during the daylight you can't see it, but I got to connect to my dome light, and in the dark it really shows nice. So I put it on, but the boot here, because of the way the shift knob connects to the boot, see, because it attaches to the bottom. This attaches to the boot, and it looks like a seamless piece. So it's all right, but it doesn't look finished. So I found this on Etsy. Somebody makes it, and it's a little cover that you put there, okay, and it looks more finished. It'll look really nice once I get it installed, but I have to got to take it off. There's a little wire over here, which is the LED that lights it up, which is really a neat feature of it. All right, and it goes down here. I had it on my 2005 Tacoma. I was able to do that, but on the Jeep I couldn't get it connected because it didn't have a boot like this, so the wire wouldn't go all the way down and connect. But now with this Tacoma, I'm able to. So I'm going to take this all off, all right, and put the piece there, see how that looks. I think it's going to look really nice. Look more finished, but I got to drill a hole in it over here, so to put the wire through, because I don't think the wire is going to fit through here with the shaft. But let me try that. Let me just take it off and see how it all fits. But I'm pretty sure I got to drill a hole here, which isn't bad. It's not a big deal. But the connection, the way it plugs in, is exactly like the shift knob. They made it really nice. If you notice, see, the plug-in piece is exactly like the factory knob. So it should go in there really good. All right, so let me just take this off, and because I only got two hands, and then I'll kind of connect it and do the hole. So here it is. I'm in the garage. It's a little dark, and that's what I want to show because it won't show in the daylight outside. So that's not turned on. And then when you open the door, because I got to connect it to my dome light, it lights up. Nice. Has a little LED wire through here, and it goes right in here. Tiny LED bulb. So it's kind of nice. I like it. So that's what it looks like when it lights up. So this is the LED that goes in there. There's a little hole. Let's see if I can get that. There's the little hole. Here it is. It's over here. And it fits right into the little hole. And it goes in there quite a bit. See? And once it goes in there, it lights up. So I'm going to unscrew it off of here. Yeah, it just unscrews from there. Now, this piece that I have here, this brass piece, I found this at the plumbing supply. I think it's for gas connections or something. And I screwed it onto the base of it because I couldn't attach it to the Jeep shaft. And I had to put this Allen screw on it. I had to tap that in. I had 2 of them on it. I only need 1. So I did that. You don't have to do this. I kind of like the look of it now with this brass fitting, but it doesn't have the brass fitting when you buy it. All right, so you can, it looks just as good without the brass fitting, but I got used to it. There's the hole for the LED. It goes in there. So now I have to drill a hole for the LED on this guy so I can get it through there. Now let me just try that piece on and see how it looks. Yeah, here's the LED lit up without the ball, but it's pretty bright. It's real bright. Oh, it just turned off. But if I open the door, it just goes right on. You can see that. It's a really nice design. It is made by Flame Ball. Go to flameball.com. They got all kinds of colors, flames, no flames, solids, all kinds of stuff. Really nice. And they'll fit just about any vehicles. They'll make the threads the right size and all that. So it's a nice design. Bought it years ago. I've had it for years. So instead of making the hole like I was going to do, all I did was file it just a teeny bit on that side with the round file. It's not much. I didn't have to do much. You won't even see that. Okay, so it's just not much, because it was a little bit, the hole was a little bit bigger than the shaft anyway. And the wire did fit, it just too tight. But now it just fits in there perfect. You can't even see it. So I'm glad I didn't have to make the hole. So I'm going to put it on and see how it looks. I got it back on. And that worked perfect. All I did, there's the wire coming out. All I needed was a little bit of filing, and that's it. All I got to do is tighten up the Allen wrench, and see the wires into the ball. It's lit up right now, but you can't see it. But that looks really good. It looks finished now compared to before. I do like it a lot. Yeah, I'm sure. Toyota's not making this. I don't know why these people are making it, but well, actually, I do know why the people are making it, because people have changed their shift knob all the time, and that's not finished. Looks great. Let me go from the other side. Yep. So there it is. That looks really nice. Looks real nice. It even has TRD on it. You can get it without the TRD if you want, but since mine is a TRD, yeah, it looks really finished now. Looks really good. I'm happy I found this. I didn't even know anybody made it. So that's it. Easy mod. If you like it, give me a like. If you like to subscribe, subscribe. Push the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.